Oh no, oh no, no, look at the bus, covered in mud and lots of dust. Tony says it needs a wash. Let's clean it now without a rush. Soon it will shine bright and plush. Tony grabs the hose so fast. Time to wash the bus at last. Bucket soap, and sponge so bright. Cleaning the bus feels just right. Let's make the bus sparkle in light. Splash, splash, water flies. Drops are dancing in the skies. Tony sprays the muddy bus. Cleaning it is fun for us. Goodbye dirt and dusty fuss. Bubble, bubble, foam so white. Floating softly, shining bright. Tony scrubs the bus with care. Bubbles flying everywhere. Bubbles flying everywhere. Clean bus coming, shiny and fair. Round big wheels are muddy too. Tony says we must clean you. Scrub, scrub, scrub with brush so strong. Cleaning wheels won't take too long. Soon they'll roll smooth all day long. Wipe, wipe, windows clear. Now the shiny glass is here. Tony smiles and cleans with care. Sparkles dancing in the air. Water flows and bubbles flare. Water flows and bubbles slide. Dirty soap runs to the side. Tony rinses every place. Now the bus has a happy face. Clean and shiny in the race. Look, look, shiny bus, bright and clean for all of us. Tony smiles with happy cheer. Sparkles shining far and near. Bus is clean from wheel to top. Tony says, great job, don't stop. Sparkles shine in sunny light. Everything looks fresh and bright. Happy bus, what a sight.